Welcome to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And what we're doing today is going to be another pseudo-swipe flower, and it was suggested by one of my viewers. Hi, Mary Lou. She suggested trying a carnation. So we've done the poinsettia, we've done the sunflower, now we're going to try the abstract carnations. And what I'm going to do is try it on a dry canvas first, this time, instead of the wet canvas. If it doesn't work, then I'll go to a bigger canvas and put down a white base. But right now we've got an 8x10 little canvas, and I have primed it already with some spray paint that was left here by my son. It is called Citadel Chaos Black Model Paint. And I don't know where he got it, so if I knew, I'd tell you guys. But yeah, it made a really nice black finish. I have already tested the paints to see if the black Amsterdam black oxide and the Amsterdam titanium white would sell like we like it to, and it did. So I'll set that over and let that dry. So we can use it for skins later. Our colors. This color right here is a combination of golden fluid acrylic, quinacridone magenta, and Arteza pearl hot pink. And so that's those two. This one is Pearl Pink Tulip by Arteza. Pearl Rose by Arteza. This one is a combination of Liquitex Basics in light green permanent combined with Pearl Pastel Green. Or no, not this one. That's not Pearl Pastel Green, sorry. This one is these two. Pearl Cactus Green and light green permanent. So, those two. Alright. Then, whoop, almost spilled it. This one is the Liquitex Basics light green permanent mixed with the pastel pearl green. So that's this one. And then of course we've got the Amsterdam titanium white mixed 3-to-1. Bless you. That was my husband sneezing. This is our Amsterdam titanium white mixed 3-to-1 pouring medium. So 3 parts pouring medium, 1 part Amsterdam. Then we've got the black Amsterdam black oxide mixed the same way, 3-to-1. All the colors, these colors and the green colors and all that, those were mixed 2-to-1. 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint. Okay, so here we go, and I will put on some music for you. Wish me luck.
admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.
I should have gone with just one. That's the problem. I should have gone with just one. Okay, we're wiping this. That one looks really good. These, no. Okay, we'll try again. I'll be back. Okay, we are back. And it's a little warped, but not bad. Okay, so got our cards back. And yeah, the plan is going to be, instead of 3 blooms or multiple blooms, I'm just going to do 1 bloom and maybe a little bud or something. So we'll do that. We'll do it that way. You know what? I think I might blow it too. I'm not sure. No, I'm going to swipe. Okay. We'll get this. We'll figure it out. I will figure this out.
No, oh, oh, oh. Oh, no, oh, oh. No, oh, oh, oh. Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I am a happy camper. Yay. Oh, and I smudged it. Of course I did. Okay. Okay, there it is. I think that's the closest I'm gonna get to a carnation tonight. So I will definitely revisit this one as I improve on my techniques and my skills, but this is what I've got so far, and I really hope you like it, especially you, Mary Lou. I really hope you like it a lot. I had fun doing it. Thanks for the suggestion. Okay guys, I'll see you in a snap for dry results right about now. Okay, we are back with dry results. It dried really, really nice. I just don't know if I like the composition. Like right here at the top. Sorry, that was kind of quick. But yeah, right there at the top. I don't care how I extended it out. I'm not a fan of that. I wish they were kind of shorter and tighter. Does that make sense? Here, let me set it down. Point to what I'm talking about. Okay, so right in here, these little flippies going up. Right there. I'm not a fan of those. But other than that, if it weren't for those little thingies, I think it would have came out perfect. So this is definitely worth another try, and yeah, I look forward to doing this again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're having a safe and happy New Year, and I'll see you again on Monday. Hugs and loves, y'all. Bye.